Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are out checking out some more roads out here in southern Arizona.
There's a Y right here too.
And there's a Y right here. What are you talking about? Oh, Y in the road. Oh,
I don't think it goes anywhere.
I doubt it. Probably a camp spot. Yep.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Probably used to 100 years ago.
Probably.
Ditch.
Looks like we have another gate up there.
Oh yeah. What are you doing up there?
Not knowing that was that steep of a drop. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, there's a gate, but we don't have to open it. This is one that stays open all the time.
Oh, the gate I was talking about is, you know that little single track ditch right there? It leads up to another gate, it looks like, right there.
Oh, okay. Holy cow. Sucker in gear. Goodness gracious. That's rough. Okay, there's a road to the right here. Right here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Where we need to go.
Here, I'll turn around real
It says
quick.
hiking there, but it must be on up. Yeah, it's on up in there where the hiking is, evidently, because that road goes quite a ways. That says 228. I'm using a hell of a ditch there.
Yeah, it is. What's that say? Firewood cutting area, permit required. Oh, so you have to have a permit to come out here and cut firewood.
Uh-huh. But they evidently let you so much, I'm sure. Certain trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see people have been cutting wood. They've been piling the brush.
That's a lot of brush piles. Look at all that wood.
There's brush piles everywhere out there.
I tell you one thing. This is the place to come out here camping because you already have plenty of firewood prep for you.
Ain't no doubt.
Whoa. This splits off too now.
Yeah, it does, but I don't know which way we're supposed to go. Oh, this is just a camp spot.
Oh, okay.
So that way is the road.
Somebody has very recently been through here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. Since the rain.
Oh, yeah. See, it looks like that goes back to that one gate, maybe.
Sure, say this ain't where we come from, was it?
Yeah, I think that goes to that single track back there. Man, there are piles of brush everywhere. Holy crap.
Definitely.
Look at that. If you actually look, there's nothing but piles of brush out here. Jeez. They're everywhere. My gosh. I've never seen so many piles of brush in my life.
People's coming here and cutting a lot of wood, ain't they?
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Jeez.
Somebody's been leaking. Look on the ground.
Oh, yeah. I see it right there in the middle. They must have bottomed out or something, maybe.
I don't know if that's oil or what, but it's oil or it's got to be oil. If his water had already dried up, unless they just come through here. Unless it's one of us. We didn't come through here, I don't think. This is the road.
Yeah, and somebody could have come in here more recently than the date. They probably just didn't sign the book, you know.
Yeah.
Because it showed that the most recent date was 3 days or 4 days ago.
Yeah.
But there's probably a lot of people who come through here and don't sign the book. Or who have already signed the books and they just keep coming through here and they figure, well, I signed it once, don't have to sign it again, you know.
That's what I'm saying. If it's not real recent, then that's got to be oil or something because water would have already dried up.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be seeing it.
And if it was, and even if it was water, it'd have to be like stupid recent because it would have dried up fast. Oh yeah, there they are right there.
Somebody up here.
Well, found the answer to our question.
Driving that van up here is a good way to knock your oil pan out.
Yeah.
I guess that's the end of the road where you hike. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess so. Do we want to warn them that one of them was probably leaking?
It probably ain't one of them. They ain't them. They're in that Toyota. The people in the van's different people probably.
Yeah, probably.
If it's anybody, it's probably that van.
Yeah, I guarantee you.
Driving it up through here.
Yeah.
You're asking to get a hole in the oil pan or the transmission. Either one.
Yeah, that's for sure. We found the culprit.
No doubt. So I don't know if he goes through that gate or not. I didn't see a sign on it. I didn't even pay attention to that.
That looked like a metal gate for like trailing or something. That's probably why there's a park area. I doubt it's for riding dual sports and stuff on.
Probably. The road does show it goes on up through there, but it ends on up. So probably what it is, hiking trail.
Yeah, probably. I'm taking the fun way. What are you doing?
Taking the berm. I'm old. I take the slow way now. I used to take the fun way.
Yeah. He said I've had 40 years of that fun.
I've had enough of that fun. Time to relax and ride now. Yeah, they probably knocked their oil pan out coming through here. You can still see the oil right here.
Oh yeah, you can.
So it's bound to be through this rough stuff somewhere where they knocked it. Transmission or oil. That they get off their hike and they come back out, they're not going to be able to go nowhere.
Oh yeah. They're going to be all out of oil. Their van's going to lock up on them.
Out of oil or transmission fluid one. It's still leaking right here as they turn from this direction. So they done it on up this way.
Man, it's dry out here, ain't it? I saw all that dust.
Yeah, I tried to get over out of it.
I looked in my mirror and I was like, whoops.
Ain't near as many trails in Missouri. Look at that oil.
Dang, it even goes through here.
Yeah.
Did they come from this way then?
I imagine, yeah. Where they came from.
Oh, there's a split off.
Yeah, it shows it here. Let me look. See which way we want to go.
Because that one's marked as 228 on the left, and then the right is marked as 759, I think.
That one goes up to Peterson Spring and up in there. I don't know what's up there. We can see.
What, to the right?
Yeah, it looks cool.
Okay. And there's some awesome roads through here.
No doubt, I like it.
Oh, deer.
Deer.
Oh, it's a buck.
Buck.
Nice.
He's running. He got the runs.
RUNNOFT.
Mm-hmm. That's what he did.
Man, these would be some awesome roads to like blitz on a dirt bike.
Yeah.
Just rip it up. Come through here with some knobbed up tires.
You mean not these sucky stock tires?
Well, I mean, I guess you could, but
Well, you could for a while. Until you hit the ground.
yeah.
You could do it all the way down to the ground. Hey, there's water, believe it or not.
I see it. Because it's in a low spot.
It must be Peterson Spring on up from there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that spring water right there.
Oh yeah,
That's
that's what it is.
some nice spring water. Yeah, it says Peterson Spring is on up here, so that's where it's coming from. That's a good spring, evidently.
Yeah, look at this. It runs all the way through here. Oh, people camping and everything too.
People's been going through here too because it's dirt. The water's dirty. Yeah.
This is a nice little place to camp. This is where we need a moto camp, and then come out here and ride these trails.
No doubt.
That's actually a good idea.
You got water. Huh. They got a hunting blind there. That may be what a lot of people do. Maybe it is deer season here. This is October, you know, close to
Oh yeah,
November.
it is. Look at that spring bubbling up.
Holy, you gotta be kidding
Whoa!
me.
It's bubbling. It's rolling.
That's pretty wicked. That's probably there must be a pipe in it coming out from up there. And there's a hole in the pipe.
Oh yeah.
Is that what it is? Is what it looks like, probably. Yeah, it is. See the hole? Or see the pipe?
Oh, okay.
There's a
I was like,
hole.
I've never seen a spring bubble like that in my life.
So the spring must be right up there. Artesian. Check out the grass out there.
Yeah, it's so thick and green through here from the spring.
No doubt. Crazy. Imagine if you lived out here and you had to ride your bike to work every day. Look at these jumps. Watch out for rocks.
Oh, them are the best jumps by far. Oh yeah, them were fun.
Peterson Spring shows to be right here. Somewhere, just right up here. Right here somewhere. Oh, pull up a little bit, I guess.
I think I'm going to back that up again. This would be an awesome trail to ride on a dirt bike.
So Peterson Spring is evidently right here. Let's go
What,
up
up in
this
that
way.
little trail or something?
What it shows. Holy cow. Yeah, I'd say it's where it's going to be. Right here.
Huh.
This is pretty sweet.
Oh, fireplace.
But it's not where the water's at.
Well,
Actually,
probably just marked it right here. The spring
shows
is all the way through
there's
here.
water all down through there. It shows all out in here, kind of. Peterson Spring, that's like an old house place, and they had a fireplace there or something. Ain't it?
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's what it is. Let's say on there. Can't read it. Peterson, I think. I really can't tell. Peter. Yeah, Peterson. Say spring. Can you read that? It says Peterson. S. Something. Maybe spring.
I have no idea.
That's pretty cool.
Neat. Oh, skunk.
I smell it.
I thought I smelled it when we were riding right up into here.
Oh, the spring's gonna be right over here. Look over there.
Oh, yeah.
That's where the spring's gonna be. Okay, we rode up a little far. We was parked right there, so we rode up here to. Didn't realize the gate was right here. Should be the gate to the going to the spring. Got jerky. We'll have some here in a minute. Take a break. What do you think? I ain't gonna bring snacks. I have to supply my kids and snacks. What the heck are you talking about? What in the world have we got out here? You gotta be kidding me. Check this out. This dang pond up here. Man, this ground is soft. Took this grass out. Because this ground is so soft. Feel it? Spongy. Check that out. Oh my God, that'd be awesome to have that. You see fish in there? That'd be perfect. I mean, they definitely. The tons of minnows are probably fish in there somewhere. I don't see any, but dang, you could have some trout in there. And that's where all that water's coming from down there, out of this spring. Those look like cattails, what they look like. I don't see no cattails on them, but that's what the plants look like. That is awesome. Peterson Spring. Definitely lots of minnows in there. They come through the ground and get in here. They'll come up through the spring for miles and get here. That's how they get in these things. You can seine them all out, but they'll come back. That was a big old tree that fell right there. Goodness gracious. I mean, a monster. It didn't die from lack of water. You know what? Died from, yeah, too much water. It's a heavy gate. The mountains right there. Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.